everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I hope can be the first day of wheat harvest. We've been getting an inch of rain this day and a quarter inch of rain that day, and it is really postponed harvest. Here we are on June 15th and we ain't even cut anything. That is unheard of. Usually I'm done by now and we ain't even started. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go on out to the farm. Well, actually take that back. First thing we're gonna do is I gotta go drop all this paperwork off, see if I get approved for a big fat loan to buy that quarter of ground I looked at the other day. And then from there, we'll go out to the farm and touch base with Larry, see what's going on for the day. And we're gonna do a test cut today no matter what, just to see where it's at. Because guess what's on the radar for tonight? More rain. Which, don't get me wrong, I'm not here to complain about the rain because the drought sucks. But dadgum, all I need is like 4 days just to get my wheat cut, then it can rain all at once. Anyway, off to go drop all this paperwork off. So I'm just leaving the loan office. That went really well, but dang, that's a lot of paperwork, a lot of signing, lots of doing this, lots of doing that. Big shout out to Logan for helping me with all the paperwork. All my questions got answered, so hopefully we get approved. If not, no big deal, there'll be another time. Anyway, on out to the farm. We're gonna check in with Grandpa and see what's going on. All right, we're out at the farm. I'm gonna fire up the old combine. We're gonna get all the doors, all the latches, everything good and sealed up, nice and tight. And then we'll go do a test cut here shortly. That right there is the only thing this combine's been able to catch for harvest. Is nasty rainwater. There goes that train again. You can sure tell where it's been because all it does is leave its tracks. We're gonna let the old timers over there talk. And we're gonna go cut a sample, boys. I got a little bit of dust coming out of the back of the machine, not a whole lot. So, who knows? This may be still too wet. I'm afraid it might be. So far, she's cutting pretty good though. But we checked the ground. It's doing a good job of cleaning it. There's not anything on the ground. And again, it was dusting pretty good. So we're gonna hop in the bin, grab a quick sample. Almost full. That will go today. That one right there is right at 13. On our way to the elevator to go run the test sample. I sure hope it goes, because this is crazy. We're talking about another inch, half inch of rain on the way tonight. We got to get something cut. The weeds are coming on pretty bad. It's going to be a bad harvest from here on out. I hope I make it to the elevator. This thing's almost on E. What the heck? I'm running on fumes. Okay, we're just leaving the co-op. 13.7 on the moisture. So it's a little bit over the dockage, but anything under 14, I think we're gonna go ahead and cut a small truckload and see what that does. So I'm gonna call Grandpa right now, see what he says. Hey, you better go get the doors shut on the trucks in the semi. It's 13.7. Let's go, boys. All right, I'll see you in a bit. It's go time. Okay, we're back at it. Harvest 2023 is officially started. It's about time. It's about a week and a half too late. So Grandpa's just now hopping in the 1680 right there. He's getting it fired up. We'll get both machines going. We're gonna cut until basically we can't cut anymore tonight. So with rain on the way, we just gotta get her done, boys. There we go, first little bit going in on the semi. Oh no, there's the boss. This ain't gonna be good. There's Grandpa.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, big trucker, but Grandpa don't have his radio on.
Probably not.
There goes our first little wheat truck in. Larry supposed to be running grain cart, but he feels a little bit nervous. So we're gonna let him run trucks for a little bit. That little combine ain't cutting out the hill. The big combine needs to do it because you got more horsepower.
That's quite a bit more skill, too.
You need to call Bubba and tell him to get out here and do double duty. He needs to be baling, and then when he gets his semi full, he needs to haul it in.
He's worried about the combine, and then they're going to burn. It's too wet.
For sure. There's the highway. There's the train where it left its tracks. And there's nothing better than cutting right along the highway, because everybody gets to see how pretty this combine is, you know? They're like, gosh dang, look at Blake out there in that nice 1480. I'm like, hey, how you doing? Good to see you. We're finally cutting wheat, buddies. Grandpa gets to go over there and cut the good fun wheat and leaves me on the outside edges with all the weeds and all the crap that doesn't average worth of crap. It's like, what are you doing? I get the crap weed, you get the fun weeds. Come on. What the heck is he doing? I think he's just out there playing. Are you playing? What the heck are you doing down there?
Just trying to make it easy for you.
Yeah, okay. Those old guys, you know, you just gotta watch them. It's about 5 o'clock anyway. That's about the time that the nursing home bus comes out here and picks up Grandpa and Larry, so. Well, where's the baler?
I guess I'll go bail. That's my thought, yeah. feeding it any better now?
Oh yeah, I just
dirt out. I just move fucking crap.
Grandpa's chewing Larry's butt. Golly. I think they both missed their nap time. Whee! Cutting on this hill right here. That's more fun than the state fair. Look, I got my hands up. Well, just dumped another load. And now I gotta dodge all these small square bales out here. Dadgummit, Larry. What are you doing? Move it, Larry. Come on. Or just stop. That's fine. I'll cut around you. Don't worry. I'll cut around you. And we just got it all going on right now. I'm in my combine. Grandpa's in his combine. And he got Larry over there square baling, boys. Like Larry's got his AC on there. His jacket's blowing in the wind. Oh, that bell didn't get any twine, did it? Why don't you leave us alone? We're trying to cut wheat.
Are you cutting wheat or baling hay? Or I don't see anything going on. Oh shit, Larry's got the wagon out.
You ought to go dump that semi. It's about full, bub.
I got hay to bale, buddy.
Oh, Blaine's a little, you know, he had to work today. Then he's got to go bale hay, go bale his oats. Anyway, look how blue it's getting in the west. I think it might rain. Well, it's getting more and more blue in the west. Larry's out here playing with the Stackliner, picking up square bales. Thank God, because I'm about sick and tired of having to dodge him on the way to the semi. I just started dumping on the grain cart. Larry left the dadgum gate open. Dadgummit. Good catch, Blake. Good catch. Your dadgum brother left the grain cart door open on the bottom. Oh yeah, he needs to get out there. He's got some wheat to shovel up now.
He shot it the other day, I know that.
Well, you have some elves or fairies running around here because it was open again.
Okay.
Dang, it's getting blue. It's gonna rain. Grandpa and I are sure pushing these old machines, I'll tell you that right now. I'm gonna flip on my lights so I can see. Let's see here, lights. There's a light. Let's see, where's my other light switch? Headlights, light, bam. Look at that. Oh, look at them LEDs. Ah, that's nice. Well, there's the rain. It's coming. Grandpa and I had to shut her down really fast before we got rained out. So now we gotta hurry up, get unloaded, get trucks in the shed, get the combines parked, because it's about to get wet, boys. gotta get the tarp on my truck. Oh, dang it. Man, it's really starting to come down. Good thing we quit when we did. Got everything in the shed, tarped, out of the rain. Goodness gracious. Oh, nice lightning. Yeah, it's pouring. Get the square bales in out of the rain. Well, dang it. Hopefully we won't get that much rain tonight and we can press on in another day or two, but we got quite a bit done. We got the whole south half of our circle knocked out, which was the bad half. It's the hilly half. It's the half that's got the cricks in it. You know, it's a mess. It's the tough cutting, but at least it's done. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you all next time.